Welcome to SellSeva Photo Studio. This page is where sellers manage reusable product photos before they go into listings. You can upload images, clean them up, quality check them, attach finished photos to listings, and keep originals recoverable in case you need to roll back and edit. At the top, SellSeva gives you a quick summary of the photo library. Library shows how many photos are available. Needs Prep shows raw photos that still need background removal or cleanup. Reusable shows edited photos that are not yet attached to a listing. Recovery shows failed edits that may need review or retry. Below that, the workflow is broken into 4 steps: import, process, quality check, and attach. This is the basic photo studio flow. First, bring photos in. Then, remove backgrounds or apply marketplace presets. Next, review quality issues like low resolution, failed edits, or risky cover photos. Finally, attach the finished images to the correct listings. The next row gives a working snapshot of the library. Listing Ready shows the percentage of photos that are edited and ready to use. Needs BG shows raw uploads. Unattached shows finished photos that can still be reused on listings. Failed shows any photo jobs that need attention. Selected shows how many photos are currently selected for batch actions. The priority panel helps you decide what to work on first. Risky covers are photos that may hurt click-through or marketplace quality. Review Queue shows photos that should be approved before marketplace push. High impact highlights photos tied to listings where better images may matter most. From here, you can use Fix Risky Covers or Approve Review Queue to clean up the most important work faster. Now move into the Studio library. This upload area supports JPG, PNG, and WEBP images up to 25 megapixels. You can drag and drop photos or click Choose Files. SellSeva also supports batches of up to 50 photos at once and can group photos by listing, SKU, or file name when the information is available. Below the upload area are the photo filters. You can switch between all photos, needs edit, edited, risky, review, high impact, attached, unattached, and failed. These filters make it easier to focus on one type of photo work instead of scanning the whole library. Each photo card shows the image preview, current status, size, dimensions, upload time, and any helpful tags. You may see statuses like needs edit, BG removed, edited, processing, or failed. Some cards also show cover, a quality score, QA risk, preset, approved, or a connected listing name. If a photo is already connected to a listing, the listing name appears at the bottom of the card. If an edited photo is not attached yet, you can use Attach to Listing. If a photo has failed, the card shows the failure reason, so you know what needs attention. To work with a photo, select it using the checkbox. Once a photo is selected, the action toolbar appears. If one editable photo is selected, you will see Edit Photo. This opens the edit window for that specific image. You can also double-click an editable photo to open the editor. In the edit window, the left side shows the photo preview. You can switch between before and preview after. On the right, you can toggle remove background, adjust padding, crop to square, and apply a watermark. If watermark is turned on, you can choose the watermark position. At the bottom, SellSeva shows whether credits will be used, and you can either cancel or click Apply Edits. The Remove Background option uses photo room credits. For a live demo, upload a real image first, then run background removal on that uploaded image. Existing demo photos are useful for showing statuses and workflows, but real background removal requires an actual uploaded file. Back in the Selected Photo toolbar, Remove BG runs background removal for selected eligible photos. Attached to Listings opens a listing picker so you can connect edited photos to existing listings. You can also apply marketplace presets like eBay Preset or Poshmark Square. These presets help standardize image format for marketplace use. Approve marks selected review-ready photos as approved for marketplace updates. Rollback restores preserved originals when the photo has an edit snapshot available. Delete removes the selected photo from the studio library. On the right side, the background removal credits panel shows monthly credits, purchased credits, and total available credits. It also shows when monthly credits reset and gives options to buy additional credit packs if needed. Below that is the prep queue. Remove backgrounds filters the library to raw photos that need editing. Attach finished photos filters to edited photos that are not yet connected to listings. Recover failed edits filters to failed photo jobs that need review or retry. The Batch Presets panel gives shortcuts for common seller workflows. After selecting photos, you can remove backgrounds, apply eBay Clean White, apply Poshmark Square, use Depop Style, apply a watermark, attach photos to listings, approve photos, roll back edits, or create a listing from selected photos. When you choose Attach to Listing, SellSeva opens a modal where you can search listings, select one or more listings, and choose whether the edited photo should replace the first photo on the listing or be added as an additional gallery photo. This is useful when you have improved a cover image and want that better image to become the main marketplace photo. When you choose Create Listing, SellSeva starts a new listing draft using the selected photos. This helps sellers move from cleaned images directly into listing creation without re-uploading the same files. The status trail shows recent photo activity, such as uploads, quality scans, background removal, presets, approvals, attachments, and rollbacks. This keeps a simple history of what happened to the photos and helps confirm that originals remain recoverable. So the main workflow is simple. Upload product photos, filter to the ones that need work, select one or more photos, apply the right edit or preset, review quality, attach finished photos to listings, and use the credit and status panels to keep the whole process organized. Photo Studio is designed for sellers who handle photos in batches. Instead of editing one listing at a time, you can clean, approve, reuse, and attach images across your inventory from one place.